has issued a special marine warning for Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater in large hail, located 8 nautical miles west of Rowley, or 12 nautical miles west of the mouth of the Merrimack River, moving northeast at 25 knots. Locations impacted include Plum Island. Strong wind gusts and briefly rough seas can be expected. Head to safe harbor immediately, or stay close to shore until the storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday afternoon 4. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Massachusetts and Ipswich Bays, as well as the